Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you something which is easy to make. I have not made it till now. It is my first attempt just for you guys. So follow with me. But before that, let me try to look like a chef. Alright? So today we are going to make something with these ingredients, and believe me, you don't have to cook any of them, right? And it's very easy to make, at least for my wife. So let's try this. So we have here avocado, which is the main ingredient. This is the avocado. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. This is lemon, onion, and this is chili. We have tomato, and we have bell pepper, and here we have salt and pepper. So let's start by cutting the avocado or preparing the avocado. This is going to be kind of messy because normally I don't cook. This is the first cooking attempt. I know how to do stuff like making an omelette or making rice cake and stuff, or using a toaster. I know those stuff. So the first thing to do is cutting the avocado. So let's cut. As a chef, you actually have to choose which knife to do that. But since I'm not really good with the knives, I'll choose the smallest one because it fits my hand also, right? I think I'm doing okay. And if you guys are wondering at home that this is not the way to cut, then you guys are not experts. And after cutting, we need to twist it. You see? After that, we need to scrape the inside into a bowl. This is a bowl, in case you did not know, and this is a fork. You can use a spoon as well. I think I need a spoon. So I got a spoon. First we will peel this. We'll try to peel this and see if it comes out, right? Okay. You don't need a spoon. You see, expert advice just for you guys. Make sure to wash your hands before attempting this, right? Because it gets kind of messy, and if your hands are dirty, you won't be able to eat it. And now let's mash this, right? It's very easy to mash. As you can see, this is the mashed avocados. Let's start chopping the onion. So that's it. As you can see, I have cut the onion, and I managed to cut the bell pepper and the tomato and the chili as well. You just have to mix them now. This is the avocado, and just put the onion, and this is as per your taste. You can tweak, you can increase an ingredient, or you can decrease as per your liking. There is no set quantity for this. So I put in the onion. The bell pepper goes in now. Okay. The tomato goes in now. But before you chop the tomato, make sure that you remove the seeds. So this goes in, right? And then chili. Now, of course, if you don't like chili, you can skip this step as well, right? And now we just have to mix them. Bell pepper, by the way, it's optional, but it will give some good flavor if you do add. So yeah, if you have bell pepper, add it and try it. So once you are done mixing, Next thing to add is salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. So I'll add a little bit of salt. Salt is of course as you like, how much ever you like. Some people will eat this without salt, so it's up to you. It's okay. Right? Add a little bit of pepper. Then you need a squeeze of lemon, and then you can eat it any way you like. People eat it with bread, or you can even eat it as it is. This is called avocado guacamole. It seems to be a Mexican dish. So let me toast some bread, because it will be better if you eat with something crispy, right? And I like my bread toasted. And eat it. So let me have a bite. Let me add a little bit more to the first bite, and let me tell you guys how it is. This is very good, very good, very easy to make. So this was guacamole. Let me have another bite, because it's very good. You don't need to cook, you don't need a stove, you don't need gas, but you do need avocados. So if you have avocados and you don't want to cook, waste your time, this is very good. It's healthy even for kids. So guys, hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell button so that you can get notified of my future videos. See you in the next video.